If you're even considering trying Prompt Blaze AI, this quick review is going to save you a ton of time and possibly some serious frustration. I've tested thousands of AI tools. This one just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. First off, Prompt Blaze AI is completely free to try. You can get access instantly from the first link in the description, but don't rush into it until you hear what it can do and what it can't. One of the most surprising features comes near the end, and it's something even tools like ChatGPT and Jasper haven't nailed yet. Let's start with the basics. Prompt Blaze is designed to be a prompt engineering powerhouse. It's not just another AI content generator. It's a tool built for creators, marketers, and teams who want custom prompts that actually work across different AI platforms like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and even custom APIs. The first thing you'll notice is the real-time prompt testing. You can craft prompts and instantly see how they perform across multiple models side by side. That's a huge deal if you're tired of switching tabs and tweaking the same prompt in 5 different apps. Secondly, Prompt Blaze AI lets you create and share prompt templates with your team, or even sell them. Yes, you can monetize your prompts. If you're in digital marketing or copywriting, this is a goldmine. You can build repeatable prompt workflows for client deliverables or automate internal processes. Third, it comes with a flow builder interface, kind of like Zapier but for prompt chains. You can visually map out an AI workflow, like inputting a blog title, generating an outline, turning that into a full article, and then summarizing it, all in one smooth pipeline. No code needed. Next, and this one's big, it supports variables and logic blocks inside prompts. This lets you build advanced prompts that adapt based on user input. For example, you can create a chatbot or content generator that changes tone, length, or format dynamically. Perfect if you're building SaaS, chat-based services, or just want smarter automations. Fifth, Prompt Blaze AI integrates directly with Google Sheets, Notion, and webhooks. If you're running a content agency, you can literally feed a spreadsheet of topics into Prompt Blaze and have it spit out content on autopilot. That's next level efficiency. Sixth, there's versioning and testing baked in. You can run A/B prompt tests, see token usage, model comparisons, and make data-driven decisions. This alone sets it apart from 90% of prompt tools out there that give you no feedback loop. Finally, there's the prompt store where people share battle-tested prompts for SEO, ad copy, code generation, you name it. If you're a beginner, you can hit the ground running without needing to master prompt syntax from scratch. Now here's the thing, Prompt Blaze isn't perfect. Right now, it's still early, so you might run into a few limitations depending on which AI models you want to connect. But they're rolling out updates fast, and it's clear this platform is built for serious users who want full control over how they use AI. If you've been overwhelmed by scattered tools and half-baked GPT wrappers, Prompt Blaze AI feels like someone finally built a system with professionals in mind. So, test it out free from the first link in the description. And if you're curious which other AI tools are worth your time, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares below, all battle-tested after trying over 1,000. Some of them might completely change your workflow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.